The topic is digital electronic circuit. What is a digital electronic circuit? Okay. What is a circuit? What is a circuit? In a circuit, it consists of source with electrical parameters flowing through in a closed path is called circuit. Okay. Generally, circuit has two types of. Okay. Generally, circuit is of two types. One is an analog circuit, another is a digital circuit. Okay. In analog circuit, I use a transistor, okay, diode transistor, op-amp, and MOSFET. IGFT, insulated gate, bipolar transistor. Okay. In a digital case, generally use a IC. Okay. IC in integrated circuit. So it will be digit means we have to working with either 0 or 1. Okay. The analog way I use a switching circuit. Okay. The switching circuit is that amplification, but in the case of digital, I use a on off. Okay. What is the difference between analog signal and digital signal? What is the difference between analog signal and digital signal? Okay. The analog signal, it will be continuous. It is continuous in nature with respect to time. Okay, that is okay. This is continuous only. Write down the discrete value. Only discrete. All others are only discrete. Continuous place. Okay. The analog signal will be represented x of t. This is a time duration 0 to pi 2 pi. This is a continuous. Okay. In number 2, this is a to draw the digital signals. This is n, this is x of n. Okay. 0, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. You are getting different time sequence. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is a 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is a 9, this is a 10. Different time sequence are getting different amplitude. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That is -1, -2. Okay, in this manner. Okay. In case of a analog signal, is not capable to store the signals, and more noise will produce. In analog signal, it produce more noise and less resolution. Resolution means that is clarity is very low. And this is in this case more, it's less noise, and there is less more resolution. You can write. In analog signals, it has low capacity. It has low storage capacity. Okay. And it has high capacity. You can write high storage capacity. Okay. In analog signal has a Distortion is more distortion, and this is a less distortion. In a analog signal, I use amplification, and this is a use a switching operation. Okay, switching means 0 or 1. When the switch is on, that is when the switch is on, switch or for ball on, that is logic 0. Sorry, logic 1. Sorry. When the switch on, logic 1. When the switch off, logic 0. Okay. In case of a, I go to this, and the digital signal will be understood using different frequency. Okay, ASK, PSK, FSK, but in this analog R is AM, FM. Yeah. Okay. So discuss about the digital. What is a digital? Digital plus electronics plus that is circuit. The electronic circuit will be implemented as it in digit, working as only 0 and 1. Okay. So I will to explain. This is a DC power supply, and this is a switch. This is a switch. This is a LED bulb. This is the output. This is the input. In case of a, this is taking as digital, the input and output. When the input switch will be open, that's why 0. The output LED will not glow, that is 0. Logic. When the switch is closed, that is the logic is 1. The output LED will be on, that is 1. Okay. That means in case of a digital, it has 2 logic. It has 2 logic. That is off states. Off state, that is logic 0, and on state, that is logic 1. Okay. This is a simple example. Okay. In case of a, I have to study about that is bit, BIT. Bit means 0 or 1. Okay. Byte. Byte means that is 8 bit. 8 bits is called 1 byte. 8 bits means we can write either 0 or 1 or 0, 0, 0. Or we can write 0, 0. Similarly, 1 kilobyte. 1 kilobyte means 104 into 1 byte is 8 bits. Okay. Nipple, NI. Nipple means that is 4 bits. We can write either 0, 0, 0 or 0, 1, 0, or we can write any 4 bits. Okay. Second thing is that you have to study about the code converter. Okay. That is code plus converter, that is code converter. In the code converter, which is very easy and no hacking of signal transmitted from source to destination. So that's a code converter are used. In case of in the field of application, Air Force, naval, satellite communication. Okay. So what is a code? Now it is the symbolic representation of the. It is the symbolic representation of. It is a symbolic representation of numbers alphanumeric and special character to perform particular text, to perform particular text. Okay. So the code converter. Okay. Suppose I give the example. We can code use star and with special character, asterisk, slash, @ 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a code are used. Okay. This is example of code. Okay. Then I have to start here the binary code. So binary code. Binary means bi means 2. Okay. And the code we can represent it either 0 or 1 or both. Okay. So the base is or radix is 2. So we can write, what is the example of binary code? 1 0 0 1. Okay. We can write 0 or 1, we can be implemented to generate the binary code. Then octal code. Octal code means it will be starting from 0 to 7 and the base is 8. Okay. It can be represented as, how can be represented, or how can generate octal code? 0 1 2 3. We can write 0 to 7. This is octal code. Okay. Then decimal code. In decimal code, we can write from 0 to 9. The base is 10. 0 to 10 means what is the value? 10. The base is 10. So we can write 0 to 9. We can generate decimal code and the base will write 10. 1 2 3 7 10. Okay. Then hexadecimal code. Okay. Hexadecimal code. What do you mean hexadecimal? Hex means 6. This is a decimal 10. That is 16. The base is 16. So, in case of a decimal means we can write 0 to 9. But after 9, we can use a code. That is 10 to 15. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So 10 equal is A. You have to remember. Okay. So when you want to represent it, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ସମୟରେ hexadecimal represent କରିବା ଏ କୋଡଟା ମନେ ରଖିବା ପଡ଼ିବ. 10 ହେଲା A, 11 ହେଲା B, 12 ହେଲା C, 13 D, 14 E, 15 F. Okay. Then I have to study about the conversion. Okay. Binary to convert binary code to decimal code. Okay. 101. Okay. First of all, how can convert? Okay. First of all, 1 is right, 1 is closed. What is the number is there? 2, 2 to the power 2. Okay. Plus 0 and block 1, 2 to the power 1 plus. And 1 is closed, no number is there. So 1 into 2 to the power 0. Okay. That is 2 to the 2, that is 4, 0 something 0, 2 to the 0 1 1, that is 5. Okay. This is a real part. Use a binary number. Then after use a mix of real and fraction part. Okay. 1 0 1 0 0 1. Okay. What is the equivalent of decimal? First of all, I have to real part, calculate, then we get decimal part. So first of all, 1 is there, 1 into, we have closed it, 2 to the power 2, 0 2 to the power 1, we have to close it, but the no 0, that is 0, no digit is there, plus. This is a we can write 1, anything. So this is a decimal start. Decimal is the first number. 1 into the first number is that you have to use a negative. Okay. In decimal case, without taking the power negative, first number is -1 plus. This is a second digit decimal, so 2 to the power -2. This is a third number, we can write the power of 3. Okay. So 2 to the power 2 is 4, this is 0, 2 to the 0 1, and you have to use power. Negative power you can write as a positive, that is 0, that is 1 by 8. Okay. That is 4 plus 1 is 5, that is 0.5, 1 by 2, that is 0.125. We can add it. 6 to 5, that is can write 6 to 5. Then to convert octal, to convert octal code to decimal code. In the octal to decimal code, what will do? 1, 2, 1 is there. It will convert equivalent of decimal. Okay. So we can write 1 block to 8 to the power 2, 1 into 8 to the power 1. We have to unclose, no number is there, that is 8 to the power 0. Okay. So base is 8, we can write this much. Okay. 8 to the power 2, that is 64, that is 8. 8 to the 0 1, that is 9 plus 4, that is 13, 73, that is 12. Okay. So then you have to use a hexadecimal. Okay. Use a hexadecimal code. To convert hexadecimal to decimal code. Okay. Hexadecimal code to, okay. So 1 A C. This is a number is given to convert as a decimal. Okay. Okay. So first of all, 1 into base is 16. So 1 is closed, 2 number is there. Okay. A into closed, 1 digit number is 1 number is there. Okay. And C, and C when the C is closed, हमें देखो बॉन्ड कर ले किसी ने मैंने 16 to 0 कर ले. 16 to the power square means 256. Okay. So A is the, what is the A value in hexadecimal? 10 value. So we cannot write, you have to remember 10 into 16, that is 160. Okay. What is the value C? C is the 12. Okay. 12 into 6 to the 0 get 1, that is we can add it. 256, 160 plus 12, that is 8, 7, 4 to 8. Okay. So this is a trick I have to explain when you go to the